Arg, matey. Welcome to another day in the 12 days of cybersecurity. Today we're going to talk about computer patches.
Wait, not really these kind of patches. Not patches at all. We're going to talk about computer patches. Patches and updates. Have you ever considered how something as simple as a Windows update could help with overall network security of your office computer? Malicious software, as well as other common issues and bugs, can create other vulnerabilities. The codes that make up Windows operating system contain security loopholes, errors, incompatibilities, and other outdated elements. In short, Windows isn't perfect. We all know that. The latest Windows security patch fixes the vulnerabilities and errors in Windows and associated software, and they occasionally add new features. This essentially summarizes why you should regularly run a Windows update. Here are 3 reasons why you should install the latest Windows security patches and updates. First, protect your system from malicious software. Hardly any code is perfect, and sooner or later weaknesses can be identified. Security issues are the worst possible errors, and they may be exploited by malware to access and potentially damage your computer. We saw this earlier in the year with the WannaCrypt ransomware worm. That worm spread around the world in a matter of hours just because patches were not being completed on computers. It was so bad that Microsoft even patched Windows XP, even though they stopped supporting it back in 2014. Next, resolve general Windows issues and bugs. These types of updates address more general bugs and issues in the Windows operating system. These updates typically contain several fixes in one go. Things like Word, Excel, Outlook. These are applications that you're in every single day. Printers, video, and sound card drivers are often updated to make sure that you have the best quality computer and operating system that is running. Lastly, access to new Windows and software features. Windows updates often introduces new features while also fixing some known issues. A good example is Internet Explorer. Even though you don't plan on using the respective software, you should still run these updates considering they often come with significant improvements and you may end up being forced to use the software after all. It's critical to install security updates to protect your computer from malicious attacks. In the long run, it is also important to install software updates. Not only access to new features, but also to be safe in terms of security loopholes being discovered in outdated programs. And it's in your own best interest to install all the other updates, which may potentially cause your system to be buggy. If you don't have time to worry about patching your computers, you're not alone. Contact CTTS today to discuss how we can automate the patch management process and report on any issues or risks throughout your organization. Thanks again for watching today. We appreciate all the thumbs ups and comments, all the phone calls we've been receiving after this series. Tomorrow we're going to continue the cybersecurity, 12 days of cybersecurity, and we're going to talk about a very important and something new that a lot of you haven't heard about yet, and that's dark web credential monitoring and how you can protect yourself and your organization moving forward. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.